Looks like grain filler. It smells like yeast. It is from brewer's yeast. Let's get a paper towel. Let's see what we got here. Keep thinking of the Men at Work for some reason. Men at Work, band from the 80s. Let's see how this Vegemite does. See if it does better than Gorgonite. Let's wipe some of this off. Well, you'd really have to rub that. Get barely anything out of it. Turning kind of a gray. Yeah, I don't know about this stuff. Well, I think that about sums it up. You definitely don't want to use Vegemite to polish your frets. It's really sticky, it's hard to get off, and it doesn't polish frets. It's definitely the Gorgonite in the polishing cloth or steel wool and Howard's or whatever choice of fretboard oils you like to use. If you like this video and you want to see more, please like, comment, and save this post. More later.